This football can be anything. It can be a baseball, a soccer ball. I bet you can even make it a basketball. I hear you back there, Roosty. Welcome to Saturday, y'all, and it's back to winter time. We went back again. Now it's cold. Well, it's not super cold, but much colder than it was yesterday and the day before. It's almost lunchtime, so we're gonna go get some lunch. We're gonna go by somebody's that Titus has been helping him with his cows. He needs to go by there and give a few of them some medicine, so we're gonna go by there. Tyler and Jonah want to go to Boots, etc. Jake had to work today, so he's not with us today, but Tyler and Jonah want to go to Boots, etc. I would love to go to the little Christmas, I don't think it starts until the 15th. What is today's date? I think today's the 10th. Anyway, Christmas Mountain Fair, Christmas in Lights thing or something. We went to it last year. I would love to go to it tonight, but I don't think it starts until next week sometime. You ready to go? Let me guess what you want for lunch. I knew it.
Well, we're here at Burger King, everyone. BK. We're not making cheeseburgers. We're ordering cheeseburgers from the Great.
Oh, their menu has a glitch.
Thanks for choosing Burger King. What can I get for you today?
I'd like to get one cheeseburger, cheeseburger. I know that. What'd you say?
One cheeseburger?
Yes, ma'am.
Kids meal.
Kids meal. 2 chicken nugget kids meals.
Can you tell me one thing?
Well, I'll tell you one thing. Let me tell everybody something. Today, I'm going to be riding an imaginary horse. Surprised? My trailer's down at the farm, and we've been basically having so much rain that I'm stuck. I can't even get out of there in a 4-wheel drive. So
You said cheeseburger and then
I was like, what am I going to do?
You said
Take a cheeseburger. This guy's got a lot of cattle that is very, very sick.
Oh yeah, somebody asked what kind of cows they were.
They're different kind down there, but there's a lot of Highlander.
Highlander, yeah.
He got the vet out there, but the vet didn't have the ability to get them roped. Exactly,
Yeah.
she couldn't rope them. Everybody, I'm gonna tell you how to eat a Whopper. Most time you're gonna need 2 hands. First
Sing
thing
us
you
that
wanna
song
do,
that you said Burger King used to have about you need 2 hands.
2-handle me. I'm a Burger King Whopper. Make sure you first stop the vehicle, open up the Whopper, and then open your door and shake all the lettuce off of the wrapper and everything before you begin to eat. If not,
Shake
you'll
down.
have a salad in your floorboard. You're welcome. You're welcome. I told everybody how to eat a Whopper today. Don't go Whopper Jr. Go Whopper.
I went Whopper Jr.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Yeah, you see reindeer.
Can I ride them? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a 1-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Oh, my poor toe.
What about that one?
I hold those for you. Can I hold those?
Yeah.
Ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the
Look, I see a penguin.
Yeah, I think that is tires.
Yes, wagon wheels.
Yeah.
Here's a snowman back here.
Here's a rocking chair.
Here's some rocking chairs. Let's have a seat. They are definitely getting their workout in for the day.
My horse was not fast enough.
Did y'all get them all though?
Yeah, we got them all. My horse was getting tired.
On my side, the horse was lean and lank. Misfortune seemed to slide. We got into a drifted bank and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh.
Okay, y'all, we are back home. Kids are in the bed, well, except for the teenage boys. They went to do a Taco Bell run. Before I go get ready for bed, I'm gonna make some bubble up bakes for breakfast in the morning. We're gonna be getting up pretty early. We have to leave. The church we're going to in the morning is a little over an hour away, so we need to leave pretty early. So we're gonna make 2 overnight bubble up bakes. You don't have to make these for overnight, but you can. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and get them put together. That way in the morning, all I have to do is put them in the oven and they can be cooking while we're getting ready. The first one is a sausage and cheese bubble up bake. The second one, I was gonna do a cherry one, but I don't have any cherry pie filling. I do have apple pie filling though, and some cherries. So I'm gonna make a apple cherry one. We love apples, we love cherries. Let's put them together. I think they'll be good. I could do just the apple, and I might cook the sausage if I turn this on over here, Daddy. We might start smelling some sausage. He's over there finding us something to watch, y'all. I bet he's on the History Channel. Are you going to the History? Yep. So all we have to cook right now is the sausage. The rest of it, we're just gonna be putting it together in the casserole dishes, covering it and sticking them in the refrigerator. While this is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and get my cheese and eggs ready. All right, so we've got our cheese. I already have shredded because Aldi didn't have any of the mild cheddar blocks when we were there this time. So I don't have to shred it, but we need 5 eggs in here. So we were out a lot later than I thought we were gonna be today. I mean, we still got home, I think, before 8 o'clock, but still, I thought we would probably be home about 4 or 5. Now, you can use cheddar and mozzarella. You can use whatever kind of cheese. I think pepper jack would also be really good, but I'm just gonna use mild cheddar. I have some mozzarella I could shred, but I'm just gonna go with the cheddar since I'm just putting these together quick this evening. These would be really good to make for Christmas morning breakfast because they're quick to put together the night before. Then you just stick them in the oven. That other one we made a while back, that breakfast casserole, I think we have a few overnight breakfast casserole videos. I'll link those down below. Okay, we're gonna put 1 cup and 1/4 of a cup of milk in here. I gave myself a challenge to try to get this done before the boys got back. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. Sausage is done. We'll mix all that, and I just flung egg juice everywhere. We'll set this over to the side. Okay, we're just gonna spray. This is a 9x13 casserole dish, and first we put our biscuits. We're just using 1 can of Grands Biscuits. I didn't even know I had these Pillsbury ones in there. This must have been something Titus got, because I usually grab the off-brand. So we just wanna cut these into small pieces or just break them up into small pieces. And this is the, I think, 16-ounce can. There are 8 biscuits in here, 8 of the Grands Biscuits. Now we're gonna put the sausage on top of here, and I'm not gonna worry about draining it or anything like that because there's not a lot of sausage drippings anyway. All right, now we're gonna put our cheese. Now we just pour the egg mixture all over the top. That's it. We're gonna cover this with foil and stick it in the refrigerator. And in the morning, we'll just take it out while the oven's preheating, and it's gonna cook for about 30 to 40 minutes at 350. Uncovered. We'll uncover it, before we put it in. 1 down, 1 to go. I'm actually out of foil, so I'm gonna use plastic wrap. All right, we're gonna spray this one. Go ahead and put the biscuits in the bottom. Oh wait, I'm sorry. We're gonna put the apple pie filling first, then the biscuits. Just gonna dump all this in. And I'm just gonna put a few cherries, because like I said, I really want a cherry. I should have told the boys to stop and get some cherry pie filling. I didn't think of that. I'm gonna put a little bit of this cherry juice. And there's just a few cherries left, so we'll go ahead and get all of these out. Oh man, I didn't make it. They're back. Trying to get done before y'all got here. The only thing we have to do is put the biscuits on here now. Just gonna spread this around and kind of press the biscuits down in here a little bit, and that's it. In the morning we do make a glaze to go over the top of this when it finishes baking. It only takes about 25 to 30 minutes. elevates are done, I'm just making the little glaze for the apple one. It's just powdered sugar, a little bit of heavy cream. So far, the apple and cherry one is the favorite.
That is really good. This one right here is sausage, egg, and cheese.
Bubble up. Vasily.
Both of them are really good. It's actually good together. If you like something sweet and spicy together.
You sleepy still? All right, y'all, it's almost time to go, but first we have to pick the winner for the slow cooker giveaway. Here we go. Vicky Riggs, you are the winner. Congratulations. Everybody else, stay tuned. There are still more giveaways to come.